Hi guys, James here. I hope you're having a great day and welcome to Money Hustle, the best place to find new ways to make money online. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 best affiliate networks to join as an affiliate marketer. There are hundreds of good affiliate networks on the internet, guys, but which one should you start with? Which one should you spend your valuable time and money working with? And as a new affiliate marketer, this can be a tough choice. You don't want to waste your time or money when you're just getting started out. And for many of you, money is very tight when you're starting out, and the wrong move on a bad network could waste you a lot of money. But at the same time, you're excited and you want to get started with affiliate marketing. Guys, I've been where you are right now, and that's where this video comes in. And in this video, I will tell you from my personal experience, which are the best affiliate networks you should work with as a new affiliate marketer. And as an added bonus, at the end, I will tell you about which networks you should avoid as an affiliate marketer. And I can honestly tell you, I wish someone had helped me with a video like this when I was getting started. It would have saved me a ton of time and money. Also, if you do enjoy content or videos like this, and you want to see more videos that are packed full of helpful tips, tricks, and money-making methods, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out. And I just want to say, guys, this list is not in any particular order. Every one of the networks or programs that I mention is good for a new affiliate marketer. And also, when creating a list, guys, I looked at the following criteria when I was looking for which programs were good for new affiliate marketers, okay? Number 1, ease of use. It has to be easy to use. It can't be overcomplicated. Number 2, is it easy to join? Because again, some affiliate networks are more complicated and they have requirements, which is not good for a new affiliate marketer. Number 3, does it have lots of merchants or offers? You want to have a lot of different offers that you can promote so you can take a look and find one that works for you. Number 4, does it have a good variety of niches? Again, another thing that's important is when you're just starting out is you need to try different offers in different niches. You can't just pigeonhole yourself in one and say, I'm only working with that one. As a new affiliate marketer, you should try different niches. Number 5, easy payouts, guys. At the end of the day, you want to make money and you want to get paid, and you want to pick an affiliate network that makes it easy for you to get your money that you've earned. So that's the criteria I used when I created this list for you guys. And if you want, you can use this criteria later down the road to find your own affiliate networks to work with. Because guys, even though I'm going to be giving my personal list of the best networks you should start with as an affiliate network, if you're going to look for other networks to join, you should look for networks that have these things. Look at these criteria when you're trying to assess an affiliate network and determine if it's good for you as a new affiliate marketer. So let's jump right into it. And also, guys, like I said, this list is just my opinion based on my personal experiences. If you do disagree, not a problem. Drop a comment below and tell me why. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. I'm always interested in hearing your opinions, guys. So if you have an opinion about something that I say in this video, just drop a comment below and we can discuss it. I love talking with you guys and hearing what you guys have to say. Let's start with the first one. It is a pretty obvious one, and that is going to be clickbank.com. Anyone that has watched my channel before knows all about Clickbank. I've done a ton of videos promoting Clickbank offers. I've also used Clickbank offers for my free training course, which I'll link down below. And there's a good reason for it. It's a great network for new affiliates to join. It's easy to use. They give you tons of resources to promote offers. Things like email swipes, ad swipes, landing pages, banners, demographics, pretty much everything you need to promote an offer, they usually give you for that offer so you can promote it very easily. This makes it perfect for new affiliates to get started with making money online. So if you're new to affiliate marketing and you haven't tried Clickbank, guys, create an account, sign up for Clickbank. Take a look at some of their offers. They have tons of different offers in a whole bunch of different niches. So it's pretty much anything you can think of that you want to promote, you can probably find on Clickbank. They also make it very easy to pick which offers are good just by using gravity. The higher gravity, the more people are being successful promoting that offer in the last 2 weeks. So it's a good way to scale or determine which offers are selling. Again, like I said, Clickbank is probably one of the best affiliate networks for new affiliates. So it's one that you're definitely going to want to take a look at. Okay, and the next one is CJ.com. This is another great network, guys. I used to promote offers from them, not so much anymore, but when I was starting out, I did successfully promote offers from here. Like Clickbank, they have a ton of offers for you to promote, pretty much in every niche you can think of. And guys, it's not hard to join. But one thing you do need to know about this specific network is that you need to quote unquote apply to each merchant or offer directly. So when you find an offer you like, you have to click and apply to that one directly. It's all really easy, guys. It's not difficult to do. This is definitely a network that you want to check out if you're new at affiliate marketing. It's been around forever, cj.com. It is a great affiliate network for you if you're just starting out. Okay, and the next one is another one that I like a lot, and this one is sharersale.com. This is a good network, guys. They have a lot of offers to promote in a ton of different niches. Many of them are very similar to what you find on premium networks like Max Bounty. The only difference is with Share a Sale is that you don't need to jump through hoops with phone interviews and stuff like that like you do with Max Bounty. So if you've been rejected by Max Bounty, or maybe you don't want to work with Max Bounty for whatever reason, and you don't want to jump through hoops to join a network, this is a good alternative for you guys. It is a really good network. It's really easy to join. Lots of different offers in tons of different niches, and not much else really to say about it, guys. It's just a really good network to get started with. One thing you do have to know, though, if you are working with Share a Sale, is that, again, you have to join each program individually. So when you find something you want to promote, you have to click on Join Program and then join that specific program. Again, it's very simple to do. And a lot of these offers, they'll give you some affiliate resources like coupon codes and stuff like that to help you promote it. So it makes it kind of easy to promote these offers. Again, it's a good alternative to something like Max Bounty if you're not ready for Max Bounty, or maybe you weren't approved, or you don't want to go through the approval process to join Max Bounty. This is a great affiliate network to work with instead of that. And it's also great for beginners as well. Okay, and next we have Awin.com. Now, just a little disclaimer, guys, I just want to tell you, I've not really personally worked with this network too much. I know a lot of people that have worked with this network, and from what they've told me, and these are people I do trust, what they've told me, it is a good network, and I'm actually, guys, in the process of changing over a couple of my money sites over from another network to Awin.com. And from my experiences so far doing that on the first site, I'm actually doing it for 2 other sites and testing it out. It's been really good. They have a ton of different offers, lots of different niches. So pretty much anything you can think of. They have both physical and digital. So if you have niche blogs, this is a really good network to look at, because you can find physical products that you can promote. You can also find digital products that you can promote as well. So it is a really good network with a ton of offers, really easy to work with, lots of different offers, and something you definitely going to want to look at as a new affiliate marketer if you're looking for a network. Okay, and next we have Digistore24. Now, guys, I've just started working with this network a few months ago, and to be honest, I really like what I see. This is a great affiliate network. Lots of offers, plenty of niches, easy to join, good at payment options. So it checks all the criteria that we look for when looking for new networks to join as an affiliate marketer. I would say this is up there with Clickbank for new affiliates. Just like Clickbank, a lot of the offers have affiliate support pages which give you affiliate resources like banners, email swipes, keywords, stuff like that. So basically, just like with Clickbank, they try to give you everything you need to get started marketing that product, which is really good when you're just starting out as a new affiliate marketer, because again, you need those resources because you don't know how to create them yourself. And that's what I like about this network, just like with Clickbank, is they give you those resources to help you get started, to make it a bit easier for you to promote that product. But one thing that is nice about Digistore24 is that since the network is not quote unquote as popular or well known as Clickbank, that's not to say it's not a big network, it's just not as well known as Clickbank. A lot of the offers are less saturated than the ones on Clickbank. So when you're just starting out, it might make it a bit easier for you to promote a product from here than maybe one from Clickbank. And just a disclaimer, guys, I've only really tried offers from this network from the health and fitness niche. I've not tried offers in any of these other niches yet, but I can say there's a lot of offers in other niches that I'm also interested in trying out, and I will be working more with this network. So again, guys, if you're looking for a new network to join as a new affiliate marketer, this is definitely one that should be high on your list. Okay, so those are the programs I recommend you do join. In a minute, I'll just get into the ones you should avoid. But I'm going to say about the ones that I recommended just now in that list. If I had to pick one of them as the best one to start with, if you're like, hey, James, which one of those 5 should I start with? I'm going to recommend you either start with Clickbank or Digistore24. Those are my 2 personal favorites out of that list. But again, that's just my personal opinion. Any one of those ones that I told you about today would work just as well. And the main reason why I prefer Digistore24 or Clickbank.com is simply because the affiliate resources they give you makes it very easy for you to quickly promote an offer. So you get email swipes, ad swipes, banners, demographics, keywords, all those things that you need to promote an offer, they just give to you, which makes it very easy for you to get started. And when you're a new affiliate marketer, it's a really good thing to have. And that's why I recommend those 2 as probably my 2 top picks out of that list. But again, like I said, any one of those ones in the list I've given you today would also work just as well. Okay, and now what about the programs you should avoid as a new affiliate marketer? Which network should you not start with? And the first one is going to be actually my affiliate network to work with, my favorite one. That is maxbounty.com. This network is not good for new affiliates, guys. This is a premium affiliate network, and you need to know what you're doing before you join them. Difficult to join. You will need to provide some proof of what you can do. They'll ask for a website. You'll have to do a phone interview. And during this phone interview, they're going to ask you a bunch of questions. So you need to know what you're talking about. If you don't know what you're talking about, you will not get approved, and you're just wasting your time. And if you do get approved and you don't know what you're doing, you're just not going to make any money on Max Bounty. You need to know what you're doing before you can start join a network like Max Bounty. This is a premium network, and this is for people that have some experience with affiliate marketing and have already made some money in the past, and they know how things work. Okay, this is not a good network for you if you've never done any affiliate marketing before. Do not join Max Bounty right off the start. You're just going to waste your time. Okay. Now, the next one that I'd say that you don't join is going to be Crack Revenue. Now, the main reason why, simply because this one mostly deals with adult offers, which are difficult to promote, not really the best for new affiliate marketers. If you don't know what you're doing when you're trying to promote like adult offers and stuff like that, you can easily get your ad account suspended. Your ads won't be approved, or you're just going to waste a ton of money on expensive keywords. This is not a good network for you to join if you are new to affiliate marketing. Adult offers, gambling, ED offers are not good for new affiliate marketers. They are good for experienced affiliate marketers who know what they're doing. Okay. These are all very difficult niches to work in. Okay. So that's not something you want to do as a new affiliate marketer. You're just going to waste a lot of money and time and have problems. So stay away from this. And if you do want to promote offers like this, maybe get some experience first promoting other offers in different niches that are a bit easier to get started with. And then when you have experiences, then you can come back to these niches and promote them. Okay. And the next one is not so much a bad affiliate network, guys, or not good for new affiliates, but it's just one that you can easily find better networks to work with. And the next one is Amazon Associates. I didn't put this on the list as like quote unquote bad ones to work because it's not really a bad network. I simply do not like this because you can make a lot more money using other affiliate offers or programs. Amazon does not really pay that well, guys. In my opinion, when it comes to Amazon Associates or Amazon affiliate type stuff, it's sort of a last resort in my option. I only work with them if I have no other option in my niche and I need something for a website. Then I might think about working with Amazon. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I talked about changing over some of my money sites to Awin.com. Actually, those sites are currently on Amazon, and I'm changing them over to Awin simply because Amazon doesn't really pay that well. And I think I can make more money going to another affiliate network and setting it up on something else. So again, it's not that it's a bad affiliate network. It's just that there's a lot better options out there than this that pay more, that do the same thing. Okay, that's the list, guys. As I mentioned earlier, this list is just my opinion based on my personal experiences. If you do disagree, drop a comment below and tell me why. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. I'd love to have a discussion about it. With that being said, guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did like this video, make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.